Hi, today I am making a vegetable lasagna. So I'm going to begin with several vegetables. The first is eggplant. And to draw out the bitterness of the eggplant, I'm going to slice this and sprinkle it with salt and let it sit. I let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I rinsed it off. And then I'm going to go ahead and slice into chunks, and I'm going to add it to my skillet and about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and saute that. I next have sliced mushrooms. I've used a whole package, and I'm going to rinse those and then add those to the cooked eggplant. Okay, and I'm seasoning it with pepper, and from there, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl and set that aside while I work with the different types of squash. I have some summer squash here, zucchini, yellow squash that I've cubed up, and this is about 2 cups of squash, and I'm going to cook that separately along with one whole red pepper and 1/2 of a green bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 shallot that I have sliced up. And again, I'm preparing my ingredients by starting with sauteing my vegetables, my peppers, and my squash in a Dutch oven. I'm going to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the vegetables and just cook those down just a bit. From there, I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato sauce. You can use the tomato sauce of your choice. This is the brand I like. And I'm going to mix the vegetables all together that I've sauteed. And then I'm going to add back to the sauce the eggplant and mushrooms that I had sauteed a bit earlier. And I'm going to combine those ingredients and just let them cook down a bit. From there, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my lasagna noodles. And I have a 9.5 by 13 Pyrex dish that I'm using. So I'm boiling enough lasagna noodles to be able to cover a couple of layers of lasagna. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and start to layer the lasagna. Now, there's no special way to layer this lasagna. It's really your choice. But basically, I'm doing a layer of sauce, pasta, and cheese. I have an Italian blend of mozzarella and Italian cheese. And I'm going to layer until it's completely full. And I'm going to bake it for about 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted. And then you serve hot. And so this is what it's going to look like. And that's my vegetable lasagna.